In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting PDF file to a flipbook, using the BitRecover PDF to Flipbook Converter wizard. To install our PDF to Flipbook Converter wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, select the Open PDF option. Select a PDF file to convert it to a flipbook. Here users will see previous and next options to switch between the pages. Zoom in and zoom out option. Next, click the Export button. Select the folder to save the flipbook, and you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully converted PDF file to a flipbook. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the flipbook. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.